Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nutrient Nexus. The holidays are all about enjoying ourselves, tasty food, sweet treats, and maybe a bit too much of everything. We've all been there, right? A few too many cookies, one too many glasses of fizzy drinks. It's the holidays. But now it's time to get back on track. Don't worry. Today I'm sharing easy, natural ways to reset your body and feel great after all that holiday fun. We're going to clean out your system and get you feeling brand new. Okay, first things first. After all those holiday treats, your body really needs water. You've been filling it with sugary drinks, processed foods, maybe a bit too much soda or juice, and it needs some serious TLC. Water is your best friend right now. It's going to flush out all the bad stuff and get your system working right again. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day and stay away from those sugary sodas. We're going for clean, pure water. Now, if plain water is a little boring, and let's be honest, it can be, try adding a slice of lemon. It'll make it taste better and help your digestion. A little bit of apple cider vinegar is another great choice. Trust me, your body will be happy. Listen up, because breakfast is the most important meal, especially when you're trying to reset your body. After all those holiday feasts, your stomach needs a break. And no, I'm not talking about greasy bacon and eggs. We're going to start the day with a healthy smoothie. This isn't one of those sugary drinks you get at cafes. This is a good smoothie, full of healthy stuff to get your stomach back on track. We're talking a handful of spinach for fiber. Yes, spinach. Don't make that face, it doesn't taste as bad as you think. Then half a green apple for a little sweetness. We don't want it tasting like grass. A spoonful of chia seeds for healthy fats. They're like tiny superheroes. And finally, a little almond milk to make it creamy. Blend it all up and you've got a breakfast that's light, easy on your stomach, and full of good stuff to get your body back in shape. Now let's talk about the rest of your meals. We're ditching the processed junk and eating whole, unprocessed foods. Think of it this way. If it came in a box, it's probably not good for you. We're talking about real food here, the kind of stuff your grandparents ate. Sweet potatoes are a great choice. They're full of fiber and vitamin A, which is great for your skin after all those holiday treats. Quinoa is another good one. It's full of protein and easy to digest, and it keeps you feeling full. And don't forget your vegetables. Steamed broccoli has lots of antioxidants to help your body clean itself out after all those holiday drinks. Keep it simple, keep it healthy, and keep it tasty. A little olive oil and a squeeze of lemon is all you need to make it delicious. Okay, it's the end of the day, and you probably want a warm drink. But before you grab the coffee, which can make you dehydrated, let's try something a little more calming. Herbal teas are a great way to relax and help your digestion after a meal. Ginger tea is my favorite when I feel bloated. It's like a superhero for your stomach. Peppermint tea is another good one. It helps calm your stomach. And if you're feeling adventurous, try dandelion tea. It helps your body get rid of extra water. Add a little honey for sweetness, and you've got the perfect end to a day of healthy eating. There you have it. Simple, easy advice to help you reset your body after the holidays. No crazy diets, no tricks, just good healthy food and some common sense. Remember, it's all about giving your body what it needs to be healthy. Hydration, good foods for your stomach, healthy meals. Stick to these and you'll be feeling great in no time. Now, go out there and get healthy. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs a post-holiday reset. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips here on Nutrient Nexus. See you next time.